All right, now we can gain access on that sensor right there. This guy right here, we can disconnect it. Oh, you know what? If I hosted it, I'm gonna have a better angle. All right, where is it? It's right up here. Okay. There we go. Unplug it. All right, guys. Here's the part number right here. And this guy is gonna go this way, and if we have to spread those two legs right here. Okay. Well, hopefully you guys can see it. Right there. And spread that legs. There we go. Here it is. And here's the new one. Okay, so we're gonna put this one this way. It's right there. Yeah, this is my setup. Use masking tape so you will not scratch the front bumper and expensive headlight. And plug this back in connector. Sorry guys, I can't even see it. Alright, there we go. Now it's plugged in. There we go. Cool. There's the other one right here, and the other one, this one. This one is pretty easy. It's in there now. Just want to make sure I got it in correctly. Yep. Now we gotta hook this up. There we go. Hook this up here. Now we can remove our masking tape gently without scratching it. There we go. All right. Fortunately, I broke two of this. Let's see if I can get some from parts. All right, so I got 3 new. I'm glad parts have it. Remove that. Put this one in. You gotta press this hard so they will sit in place. It's not even there. Uh-oh, maybe they're the wrong one. Oh, there we go. Oh boy, hopefully they're right. Need to be flush. I'm gonna tap it. There we go. Oh yeah, it'll work. Okay. Woo. He doesn't want to go in. What's wrong with you, bud? Oh, they're a little skinnier. Okay. Are they gonna fit? Yep, they're gonna fit. Oops. Yeah, there we go. Line it up. Oops. There we go. Make sure this one's seated properly. Okay. Sweet. Put this back. There we go. Yeah. Okay guys, I'm almost done here. All I have to do is delete the code, take it for a test drive, and make sure the system works. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Have a great day. Bye.